Welcome. Do you want to freshen up your Instagram profile with a new name? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps to change your name on Instagram using your Android device. It's a simple process that takes just a minute, and by the end, you'll have a brand new name on your profile. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to open the Instagram app on your Android device. If you're already logged in, you're off to a great start. Once you're in the app, take your finger and tap your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see all your posts and information. Now, look for the option that says Edit Profile and tap on it. This will open up a series of fields where you can modify various details about your account. Next, you'll want to find the section labeled Name. Tap on this and you can begin typing in your new name. Whether you're going for something more personal, professional, or just a quirky handle, the sky's the limit. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to tap the check icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of your screen. This will save your new name, and just like that, your Instagram profile has a fresh look. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks about Instagram and beyond.